Hello, this is a short video for the Academy of Communication to show what we're actually going to be starting on. Now the first thing that we're going to be looking at is the keyword research, and we can just move that on there. The keyword research is vital to being able to get you seen and found online. Now without actually doing the keyword research ahead of time, we have no idea what people are actually typing in, so this is what we'll be matching what you're going to produce for them with what they're actually looking for. So if you can see here, we've got public speaking. It's got a global search of over 300,000 and a monthly global local search of about 14.8. So there's a huge amount of competition for it, and we can see by the trends that it's going to be something that it's constantly being searched for. So we'll do a lot of keyword research first and find out exactly what people are looking for. The next thing is we're going to then type into Google the actual keywords just to find out what the competition level is going to be. And you can see here that it's a very, very competitive keyword, public speaking, with over 9 million competing pages for this. And also we can see down the right hand side here how competitive it is, because there's a lot of advertising. So moving on now to the next thing is we can actually add some modifiers to it. We could have London, we could have various different cities, locations, or an additional word to bring down the search results to make it a finer targeted market. So here we've got public speaking London, and again this has brought up a map, which is a fantastic opportunity to be able to have your company listed in here. So we'll be doing that. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to enclose the keyword or key phrase with the little quotation marks. This actually effectively means that it's only going to select pages that have that exact phrase in that exact order, and it brings down the search considerably. Here we've got 40,500 competing pages for that. Again, very competitive, because we've got the Google AdWords down the right hand side here. So the next thing that we need to do then is to find out what the top 10 websites are doing to achieve that position for that particular key phrase. So what we do is go into our next piece of equipment here, and our next tools, and we look to see what it is, and we compare it, what they're doing, to what you're doing in yours. Now this is your website here, and we can see from this that you've got a domain age of 8 years, you've got a page rank of 2, you've got about 75 backlinks to your website, but you've got no title or URL or header or description using that key phrase, as opposed to these guys here who have got you know, they've got yeses in virtually all, they've ticked all of the boxes. So that's something that we can look at and address. The next thing we're going to be looking at is which of these key phrases have a video attached to them. Now this particular one here, public speaking training, has a video attached to it, and when we check down to find out what that's about, he's actually offering a series of 11 videos on various different tips to do with public speaking. This one is on attitude. So you can see that people are already beginning to utilize all of these fantastic ways of being found, and this is what we'll do to start with. Then we start to incorporate all the social media, so we're actually driving traffic, driving people to the pages using social media. But unless we've got all the things in place prior to that, it's a waste. So that's just a little overview of what we'll be doing, and just hope you enjoyed it, and speak soon. Bye for now.